Hi there, young learners, welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, where we make learning fun and engaging. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of probability and predictions. Get ready to test your skills and learn how to make smart guesses. What is probability? Probability is the chance or likelihood of something happening. We use probability to predict outcomes and make decisions. It's like trying to guess what will happen next when you flip a coin or roll a dice. The more times you do it, the more likely you are to get a certain outcome. Key terms in probability: outcome, event, probability, sample space. Outcome means a possible result of an experiment or situation. Suppose we roll a fair six-sided die. The possible outcomes are numbers 1 through 6. So, the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Events are a collection of outcomes. Let's say we define the event, rolling an even number. The outcomes that satisfy this event are 2, 4, and 6. Probability is the likelihood of an event occurring, expressed as a fraction, decimal, or percentage. The probability of an event is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes. For example, the probability of rolling an even number is 2, 4 and 6 on a fair six-sided dice is 3/6 or 1/2. The probability of winning or losing on this spinner is 4/8 as a fraction, 0.50 as a decimal, or 50% as a percentage. Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For example, if we flip a coin, the sample space is heads and tails. Let's review. Outcome: possible result of an experiment. Event: collection of outcomes. Probability: likelihood of an event occurring. Sample space: set of all possible outcomes. Real-life applications. Probability and predictions are used in many real-life situations. For example, weather forecasters use probability to predict the chance of rain or sunshine. Sports teams use probability to predict the outcome of a game. Even doctors use probability to diagnose illnesses. They might say there's a 90% chance that you have a certain disease, which means that out of 100 people with the same symptoms, 90 of them will actually have that disease. Fun facts. Did you know that the concept of probability has been around for thousands of years? The ancient Greeks, such as Aristotle and Euclid, studied probability and used it to make predictions about games and other events. In fact, the Greek philosopher Plato even wrote about the concept of probability in his book The Republic. Additionally, the famous mathematician and astronomer Galileo used probability to make predictions about the motion of celestial bodies. Today, probability is used in many fields, including medicine, finance, and sports, to make predictions and make informed decisions. That's it for today's video on probability and predictions. We hope you learned something new and had fun along the way. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at making smart guesses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more engaging educational content.